Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you always, keep smile and live happily. In this beautiful videos friends, I hope you like these amazing Christmas decorations ideas. I hope you will like these beautiful ideas and different. Keep watching our channels at starting to end. And beautiful, it's a very beautiful and unique stylish area. So friends, I hope you will like its amazing collection. So keep watching it, different and unique style and unique, so beautiful and unique stylish area. So friends, I hope you will like it, enjoy my all this best and different Christmas wreath ideas. So keep watching is our channel at starting to end friends. I hope you will like it, a different unique stylish ideas. Keep most amazing and decent collections. So friends, so I hope you will like it, at unique and different stylish ideas and different ideas. Keep watching our channels as most latest and unique styles. So viewers, Christmas wreath, doors, hanging decoration stylish areas. I hope you will like it, and different and unique stylish areas. So beautiful. As keep watching is our channel at starting to end. I hope you will like these amazing styles. And friends, I hope you will like these amazing stylish ideas. I hope you in different styles. So keep watching our channel at starting to end. And different unique stylish areas. So friends, I hope you like it. Unique styles.